Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we have a very important video talking about Vega. Vega.xyz is where you can find out more about the uncompromisingly decentralized, the world's most advanced DEX. Cash settled futures are now live, by the way, on the Vega's Alpha mainnet, and you can see it's backed by so many great capitals and firms. So you can see the Gummy Cryptos, GSR, Gripple, KR1, Coinbase Ventures, and so many more. But I want to talk about what's so special about Vega. So to start off, I want to say Vega is an advanced order book DEX, which brings the features users expect from CEXs to fully decentralized non-custodial trading. Trading settles in industry standard ERC20 tokens like USDT thanks to Vega's single-step bridging to and from the Ethereum mainnet. Vega is the first of a new kind of DEX that combines the power and speed of sub-second block times. On its custom-built proof-of-stake network with uncompromising decentralization, that means everything from the listing of new markets to the risk parameters and reward distribution are controlled by the community through transparent on-chain governance. The network currently supports creating and trading on dated future markets and will add perpetuals and spot trading in the coming months. Traders benefit from high capital efficiency due to low margin requirements, cross-margining, and in future portfolio margining for related markets. Vega is not limited to the crypto market, and markets can be created on any underlying appropriate oracle. The protocol rewards committed liquidity providers as well with a share of fee revenue, with a larger share going to LPs that create markets or support them in their early life, as well as those committing more liquidity and posting better prices. Also, very cool, a future release of Vega will actually support the hybrid liquidity that allows a mix of Uniswap style liquidity pools and order book based trading simultaneously on all markets, that is. So this will actually enable rapid creation of markets without the support of professional market makers, as well as the opportunity for users to deploy in capital directly to liquidity provision and earn a share of any of the profits. In the longer term, Vega will also be upgraded to allow developers to build their own products and risk models to run on Vega's decentralized infrastructure and to open the platform up to full composability both on the Vega chain and via cross-chain solutions. So very, very cool. They have a lot of great latest news as well. If you want to look into that, you will have links down provided in the description below. We'll also talk a little bit more about the Vega protocol here in just a minute and what you guys can expect in the near future. So let's go back to Vega protocol here on Twitter, and the Vega network itself has been selected to participate in the Bybit's official Buy Vote program. If successful, a prize pool of $200,000 in Vega will be shared among participants. This is huge. This was actually posted October 3rd here on Twitter. And if you guys are not following Vega protocol already, make sure to click the big old follow button. You're going to follow them here on Twitter. It's going to keep you up to date with all things Vega in the future. And next, we want to go over to the rewards of Vega. So this is very cool. Rewards on Vega are designed to allow any Vega network participant to incentivize user behavior and are paid at the end of each epoch. So in 21 hours, 22 minutes until the end of this epoch, you can see the trading, market making, liquidity provision, and the market creation all there as well. If you guys want to look into launching the console, market making, the providing liquidity, and creating markets yourself. So very, very cool incentives and bounties as well. A lot to really discover with Vega. And again, if you want to jump into this and learn more about this project or this platform, this protocol, make sure to jump into the description below in today's video. It'll have all links you need to actually get involved. I will have one more thing to say before we get into more of the Vega protocol is I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own financial research before getting involved with any cryptocurrency or any protocol in the network. So trading fees is the next thing to take a look at. Trading fees and rewards, of course. So the TLDR that we want to focus in on today is the no gas fees are incurred when trading on Vega. All trading fees collected are distributed between node operators and liquidity providers, and also anyone can encourage participation in the network by setting up and funding rewards to incentivize certain behaviors and participation with specific assets on the market. Trading fees and on-chain rewards are complementary incentive and mechanisms here as well. So they talk a little bit more about fees on Vega and how Vega does not charge gas fees. Instead, Vega uses a fee structure that rewards participants who help run the network. So very, very cool. They jump into the infrastructure fees, maker fees, and liquidity provider fees as well, and then how they calculate the total fee. So it's all there and available to you guys to actually learn more, and that's something I really love about Vega Protocol. They have great transparency around this project, and they actually let you dive a little deeper than many do. So in this article here, we have the why the world needs permissionless markets. And I want to jump into the very bottom of today's page on this. It'll actually talk about the value of permissionless markets, of course, and why this is so important. Permissionless markets are inherently free. Free markets decide through experimentation and trial and error what the best market fit is. Democratization of access to free markets helps users create more transparent data, make better decisions based upon that data, and ultimately create more efficient markets for the entire world. This will create opportunities for small and medium-sized businesses to access a wider variety of financial opportunities, as well as open the door to composability in the broader DeFi landscape. So this is great to see, and this shows you really why Vega's permissionless market creation process is so successful. They talk about how and why many DeFi projects may have decentralized infrastructure, but most are still not fully decentralized because they don't have permissionless market creation. Permissionless market creation sets the Vega protocol apart from other derivative trading platforms and makes Vega truly decentralized. Anyone can propose a market by following the governance process and by garnering votes, support, and liquidity from the community. So the next thing we want to talk about here is first learn about the Vega governance and then the free markets, of course. So there's been 6 different proposal types that are enabled on the Vega blockchain, ensuring governance on the network is driven by the community of Vega token holders. The network also has been run by Vega token holders since the launch of the restricted mainnet. They propose and vote on proposals, with some of these proposals being vital to enabling trading on the network. Understanding the different types of governance and how they will be used during the launch of the trading is critical. If you're in the Vega token holding community, read on. So they'll actually talk to you more if you guys are involved with this community and you want to learn more. They have all of that governance information down below. So the next thing we want to take a look at is how does liquidity work on Vega? So automating liquidity provision is one of the toughest challenges facing exchanges, both in CeFi and DeFi. Attracting and pricing liquidity is critical to the successful launch and growth of the new markets. Vega is building a dynamic liquidity pricing mechanism to match liquidity providers with markets that have the greatest need and create a truly decentralized liquidity marketplace. Another thing to talk about is the trading and market making are live on the Alpha mainnet. And they talk a little bit more about this here on this blog post as well, but I want to go into that giveaway that we saw on Twitter. The giveaway is $2,000 in Vega tokens, the prize pool for Bybit votes, and a chance to earn from that 200K Vega prize pool and get Vega listed on Bybit is here. So Vega was selected to participate in the Bybit's upcoming buy vote, where Bybit users can vote for their favorite projects to be listed on Bybit. So to take part, all you have to do is click here, which will actually push you right on over where you can vote here on Bybit. So if you want to learn more, I will have, like I said, links down in the description below so you guys can do exactly that. If Vega, the token itself, is listing on Bybit and it's successful, a generous prize pool of 200 grand is going to be in Vega tokens shared among participants. So very, very big for all of us involved. So the next thing to kind of take a look at is actually going to be the world's most advanced DEX. Again, if you aren't following them on Twitter, make sure to hit that follow button so you are going to be updated with all of the great information coming with Vega Protocol. And then they talk a little bit more in their Twitter page. So here, Pantera Capital is actually tweeting out, with the launch of their Alpha mainnet, we're diving into Vega Protocol to explore how they are streamlining decentralized trading by leveraging smart contracts and high-performance blockchain network. So this is great to actually see more talk about Vega Protocol and why are people so involved and really kind of focused in on Vega. So what makes Vega special? Well, they talk about Vega's unique app chain architecture and how it's optimized for high-performance derivatives trading and integrates with an Ethereum bridge, enabling users to leverage ERC20 assets on-chain. Very, very big. And they also have an Arlington Capital tweet here. So we sat down with Barnaby to discuss Vega, an uncompromisingly decentralized exchange, for a deep convo on Vega's architecture and how it works in the real world, trading for retail and institutional participants. So another great little discussion here if you guys want to listen to this fireside chat with Barney, Michael, and Bavik. So the next thing I want to take a look at is the Masari crypto. This is a Twitter page that has 330K followers. Masari is the leading provider of crypto market intelligence products, and that really helps professionals navigate crypto with confidence. Well, they talk about how, again, Vega protocol is a standalone custom-built proof-of-stake blockchain that runs on the Tendermint consensus mechanism. Vega protocol's network architecture is optimized for trading on several dimensions. They walk you through it and kind of talk what makes Vega yet again so special. It's great to see so many different places and people talking about the Vega protocol. And again, of course, Greenfield put out an article talking about how you can building a decentralized derivatives layer with Vega. So decentralizing a huge market. And then again, with Greenfield, they put out a great blog post, building a decentralized derivatives layer with Vega. They talk about decentralizing a huge market and how they're proud to be backed by Vega since their 2019 seed round and contribute to their decentralized system by running a Vega validator. So huge stuff here, guys. If you want to learn more about all this stuff, like I said today in this video, we will have a couple links down in the description below you guys can jump into farther. The biggest thing to note, again, is going to be some of these Twitter posts right here specifically that talk about the Vega network and how it has been selected to participate in the Bybit's official buy vote program. If successful, again, $200,000 is the prize pool in Vega that will be shared among participants. So huge, huge, huge deal. Make sure to take advantage and jump into this. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on.